Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to simulate Arduino in Proteus software. Hi, I'm Nia Iti from Access Hub, and if you are struggling with how to simulate Arduino in Proteus software, then this video will walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can successfully simulate Arduino. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do when you want to simulate Arduino in Proteus software is to install and open your Proteus software. So you need to have your Proteus software installed. If you don't have it installed, I will leave a link in the description so you can have it installed. You can download and install it. So this is my Proteus software. So what we have to do now is to create a new project. Leave it as new project, click on next. Yes, let it be on default. Leave it on do not create a PCB layout. Next, no firmware project. And next. Okay, click on finish. So we have our editor. This is where we are going to create our circuit, of which we are going to simulate. So what we need to do here is to add our Arduino board. So we'll go on this P that's called place, and then you can search here like Arduino, or you can click on this category Arduino and then select the type of board that you want to use. So I'll choose Arduino Uno and I'll click on OK. So this is our Arduino Uno, and this is it. So what we are going to simulate in this video is we are going to be blinking an LED. Okay, so we've added our Arduino ID. What we need again is a resistor and an LED. So you click on P again, search for a resistor. Okay, so you can't find it here. You can find it here, but the easiest way is to type resistor. And we have a lot of resistors here. Okay, so you choose one. Okay, you choose one. Okay, so this is one that I'm going to use. It's a generic one. It's a resistor type, so click on OK, and you place it here where you want to place it. Okay, so we will need an LED, so can we search for an LED. Okay, so the type of LED we want an active one. Okay, so we want an active one which is blue. Okay, so click on OK, and then we bring it here. We will need a ground, to simulate in every software. You need to ground your circuit. Okay, so we go to terminals, ground, and this will be our ground. Okay, so now we need to do the connections. Okay, so we're connecting it to the pin 13 of the Arduino pin. So in order to do your connection, you click on, see where there is this red dot there, click on it, you drag it, click, okay, click. Okay, so now we are done with our circuit diagram. So we need to save the file, so we click on save project. So this is a new project. You give it any name. I'll call it blink. Okay, so that's the name that we've saved for our circuit. So we need to change the value of this 10k resistor. We will give it a 220 ohms. Okay, and this two we change it to 1 megahertz. Actually, this is how it works for me. I don't know if the 16 megahertz will be working for you, but this is what works for me. So you can experiment by changing the clock frequencies. Okay, so you click on save to save everything. So since we are done with this, what we need to do is we need to open our Arduino IDE, and this is where we are going to write our code. So Arduino already have a blank code for us, so we are going to be using that one, and we will do some modifications in there. So click on File, Examples, Basics, and go to Blink. Okay, so close the first one, drag it here, scroll all the way down. See, this is our Blink code. Because it's just a simulation, we need to reduce the delay, so I'll be using 200 just for you to know it's working. Okay, so now that we are done with this editing, what we need to do is to click on compile. So we'll be waiting for it to get done, get compile. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so it's still compiling. You have to wait for it to get done. Okay, it says done compiling. So what we need to do is to use the scroll bar all the way till we find the hex file. Okay, so you see, this is our hex file. So what we need to do is to select this hex file. Okay, then you click on Ctrl+C to copy it, and then you come here, you double click on the Arduino board, see there is this program file, then you do Ctrl+V to paste it, then you click on OK, then you click on save. Okay, so we've added a program, which is the code that we wrote here, which Arduino wrote for us automatically. And when we compile it, we want to use this hex file in this Proteus software, so we are done with it. So it's now time for simulation. So what we need to do is to come on down here and click on this play button. Okay, so we click on play, and you see we are simulating. The Arduino IDE is being simulated. See, it comes on for 200 milliseconds and it goes off for 200 milliseconds. So there you have it. That's how to simulate Arduino in Proteus software. So guys, this is the end of the video for today. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Okay, I will also leave a link in the description so you can download the Proteus software if you don't have it installed already. So guys, hit the thumbs up also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.